Start with dicing a medium onion, then mince a few cloves of garlic. Hey!
Oh, no, 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 no.
Get over here! Here are the spices for the ground beef. Coriander, cardamom, paprika, cumin, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice. Add the diced onion and saute for 2 minutes. Then add your ground beef, garlic, and spices and stir until everything is cooked through. Roast the poblano peppers over an open flame or under the broiler until the skin is charred and blistered. Let the peppers sweat in a plastic bag for 10 minutes before peeling the charred skin and removing the seeds. Brush the baking dish with clarified butter. Lay a sheet of phyllo dough in the baking dish and brush lightly with clarified butter. Repeat with several more layers of phyllo, layering them and brushing each with clarified butter. Spread half of the meat mixture evenly over the bottom layer of phyllo dough. Place the roasted poblano peppers in a single layer over the meat mixture. Lay the slices of Monterey Jack cheese over the poblano peppers. Spread the remaining meat mixture over the cheese. Cover the pie with another layer of phyllo dough, brushing each sheet with clarified butter. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice the pie into squares or rectangles before baking. Beat 1 egg with a cup of milk and pour it over the top of the phyllo. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 375 or until the phyllo is golden brown and crispy. Full recipe and links to the ingredients below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching.